Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about effective multitask deep learning for IoT malware detection and identification using behavioral traffic analysis. Next, overview of the project, that is abstract. Despite the benefits of the Internet of Things, the growing influx of IoT-specific malware coordinating large-scale cyber attacks which has infected IoT devices has created a substantial threat to the Internet ecosystem. The inherent security requirements of Internet-based applications also highlights further the role of traffic analysis for IoT malware detection. Therefore, developing deep learning model which can successfully identifying network malware is one of the most important tasks. However, among the deep learning models applied to network traffic classification, selecting best future selection for implementing chi-square algorithm. Our proposed approach, we are implementing CNN, that is convolutional neural network, give high accuracy status with accurate network malware prediction result. Also, we are finding performance like precision, recall, FN score and support. Next, flow diagram of our project. Start, select and load dataset, pre-processing, feature selection, data splitting, classification and prediction. First, start our program. Select and load network traffic data set. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is data cleaning, checking null values. Any null values are there, replace with 0 values. Remove unwanted column. Any unwanted column are there, just removing. Next, changing categorical values to numerical values. Feature selection. Feature selection is for selecting best features. I have 25 features data set, that is 25 columns are there. I want only best 15 columns using feature selection algorithm, chi-square algorithm, using get only 15 columns, that is a feature selection. Next, data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Classification. Classification is algorithm implementation. Algorithm implementation is LSTM algorithm and CNN algorithm. Existing algorithm LSTM, long short-term memory. CNN, convolutional neural network, this proposed algorithm. Prediction, the given data is malware or not, it is a prediction. Performance analysis like support, FN score and accuracy and prediction are there. Okay, output explanation. This is our data set. This is our network traffic data set. Selection and loading process. Next, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is data cleaning and checking null values. Null values are there. This column is unwanted column, so we have to remove the column. Remove unwanted column. Next, label encoding. Label encoding is changing categorical values to numerical value, that is benign and malware are there, changing zeros and ones values. This is the label encoding. Next, data splitting. Data is split into X label data set and Y label data set. This is target purpose. Next, feature selection. Feature selection is selecting the best features. We have 25 columns in a data set. We want only 20 column or 15 column, using feature extraction, feature selection algorithm to select the features. 43 column I have to select using chi-square algorithm to 25 columns. Next, data splitting. Data is splitted into training and testing data. Algorithm implementation, LSTM, long short-term memory. Approach is like how many times trained and give the result. LSTM give 86% accuracy. Classification report. precision, recall, FN score and support. CNN, convolutional neural network. This is proposed algorithm. Approach is like how many times train the process. Give 92% accuracy. Classification report: precision, recall, FN score and support. Confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is based on zeros and ones values, that is malware and benign. Comparison graph, LSTM and CNN. Prediction status. Prediction status is the given data is malware or benign.